So I thought I'd show you how I installed this tachometer, attaching it to the side right here. I just took off this panel, this screw, that screw. Let's see, there's one screw over here, and I believe that's it. And so on the back, it comes with a cluster of four wires. And then what I did is I took off the panel, I drilled a hole right back here, and strung them through. Take this guy off. Sorry, it's a little dirty down here. I don't vacuum out my truck very often. The green wire goes right up in there through an existing hole. And this is the plug. The black wire attached over here to the ground, and then the white that's connected up to this fuse right here. So that red wire right there goes to my radio and connects to what ends up being the red wire coming out. The wire says on it ignition switch. So that's the switch that's going to send the signal to turn it on. So you just got to find the wire that says ignition switch. In my case, it's you can see that red wire right there coming out of the back. So look for ignition switch.